Okay. Janitis is the most commonly used colloquial kind of expression for negative. So let's say we're talking about this thing and saying enpitsu janitis. It's not a pencil, right? Pretty clearly, enpitsu janitis. Okay, so that's the kind of structure that is usual. They're teaching you enpitsu de wa arimasen or enpitsu ja arimasen as more formal sounding alternatives. But most people in day-to-day speech are more likely to be using janitis, in my experience. Okay? And there is variation depending on what part of the country you're going to also. In Japan, there will be some places where ja arimasen might be more common. And then when I lived in Tokyo, janitis was definitely more common in Tokyo. Right?
I think writing is hard to do.
Okay, dewanitis might be more formal for written form.
Yeah, it says appropriate under writing.
Yes, it says that right in there. Okay. So yeah, so when you're speaking, for example, practicing in class, janitis is the more normal form to use. Okay? Any other questions about grammar structures or usage of any of the stuff that they're teaching? Okay. If not, I'm going to go ahead and assign partners this time. It might not be the person you're sitting close to. Okay? And so you're going to start from section 1C, where it says pair work. One of you looks at picture A, and the other person looks at picture B, which is on page 80. Okay, please don't look at both. Pick one or the other and make sure your partner's on the other one. Because the idea of this exercise is it's an information gap exercise. You have the information that your partner is missing, your partner has the information that you are missing. And you're supposed to be able to speak and have them understand the information you're giving them and vice versa. Okay? That's the whole point of this activity. So please don't cheat by looking at both pages. Okay? Pick one or the other. So I'm going to have, let's see, I'm going to have Megan work with Katrina. Okay? And one of you can move and find a spot. Marianne work with Joy. Okay. Let me get it. Dylan.
Yeah.
With Samantha in the back.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Chase with Tyler. Okay. Daniel in the back with. Hold on. You want Katrina? Data.
Be working with you.
Oh, okay. Okay. Let's see. Who else have I not paired up yet?
She's gonna need a shirt. Oh, never. She's working with I don't see the point of this. I don't think it's about like switching partners all the way across when there's someone right next to you. So you can be fancy. I want to learn Japanese. I want to learn people.
Okay. Danny. Okay.
So she said one of them was on page 80. Picture B, picture B. There is no picture A.
Yeah. So one of you is on page 70 and the other one is on page 80. Okay,
We can't do anything with these. That you can't have anything to do there.
Sensei, what were the instructions again? You said something
one
about
of you
being
on
page 80?
Yeah, one person should be on page 80, the other person should be on page 70.
Oh, I thought you said 79. That's
So one of you switch back and the other one stay on page 80.
okay, I'll go way back to page 80.
Okay, so, and you're going to be asking and answering questions of each other.
Okay.
Okay?
What are we asking?
Hold on, let me make sure I know what the vocab